Good morning, guys. It's another day. I just woke up from sleeping. I am about to make breakfast for Charlie and I. So let me show you what we're having here this morning. Yesterday, we went to a restaurant and we both ordered my. So this is the leftovers that we didn't eat. So I just put in the pan and fried it up. I have 2 eggs in here that I'm frying right now. We're gonna have some toast and some coffee to start our day. So we're now leaving. We're going to the beach. Oh, sour sop. No, that's not sour sop. Sugar apples. I see sugar apples. We are walking down this hill. Charles said yesterday, that's it. But I guess he changed his mind today. But there's also these little vans that you can take. Careful, boo boo. There's these little vans. So I tell him, if we get tired, we can always get a van to take us. Charles, you want to walk or you want to take a van?
Right now we can walk.
Right now we can walk, he said. I'm coming out the road. It's hilly. I don't know if it's gonna rain. But look. Look. I don't know if you can really get it. Charles ahead of me. But that's like a steep hill right there. Don't mind him, he's showing off now. Charles, stop it. He likes to show off. But this is a steep hill. Oh gosh. It may not look this way. Maybe if we get to the top, I'll turn around the camera so you can see. This is steep. He said that's why you gotta go around there. No, you do not. Ooh, I'm coming up on my toes. It's a steep hill. Let me see. Let me look down now. Let me turn the camera. Okay. I'm walking in the rain. Walking in the... It's starting to rain, guys. So we're walking in the rain. See, some of these houses are very high up. That house up there have to have a great view. See how big the homes are? I don't know if they're apartments or if somebody's home or what. On this side is some mountains. Oh yeah, look guys, look at the view. Let me see me pulling the camera a little bit. The mountains up there, beautiful. And there's houses up there too. So those people have a nice view. Cause that's way up there. Goats, my goat friends hanging from the tree over there, but there's a cow also over there. The cow is over here. See the rope that long hanging from the tree? I know, guys. I keep recording. I keep recording and talking, and then after because I'm using my phone, I'm not using my camera like I usually do. I'm using my phone. So I am talking, and then all of a sudden I realized, wait a minute, I didn't press the record, and so the whole time I'm talking all that stuff, it haven't been recorded. I was just talking about Charles and his coconut water. Let me show you. Charles is drinking his second bottle of coconut water because the coconut water is so good. It really is very good. So he just bought a second bottle. I'm still on my first, but he bought a second one. But we just bought one meal, and that's because it's very hot out, so we don't want to overeat because we got to do some walking. We're going to the beach. But then when we leave later on, if we're hungry, we'll get something else, right, babes? All right. Okay. You good with that? Yeah. You're walking in here? Well, well, we're not gonna go so. Well, we're not gonna go that late. Yesterday was a little bit late. Yeah, yesterday what happened is we left a little bit late, and then we it was dark. We was walking up and down in cars. They kind, the corners it's narrow, and there was nobody on the road, just us.
Guys, you don't want to walk up a hill, go around a corner, and the bottom just drop out of the hill. All right? You don't want to do that. I like Holy Christmas. All right? It's like me putting a ladder on top of my house and then sliding down it. That's what it was. All right? You don't want to do that.
Thank you. Guys, our food has just arrived. Here we are. We ordered goat meat, some rice, and it's what is that? A little mac and cheese, or lasagna, or something. A little vegetables, a little bit of everything here. It looks yummy, and there's some gravy in there. I get. Oh, those are lentil peas. So Charles and I are gonna enjoy this, and then I will talk to you after.
Well, I gotta come in further, gotta come in further. Right here? Right good.
We're in St. Lucia, guys. We're in St. Lucia. Charles and I are on vacation here. Today is a beach day for us. We are just getting a nice bath, water bath, because it is hot. So this feels so good. Charles, you coming in?
I'm in.
Oh, I took off your shirt. Your shirt is getting wet.
All right, that's all right. What you gonna do now?
Take it off and go and put it somewhere to put. Take it off, wring it out. You forgot you wearing a shirt, right? Look at him, look. Before he take off his shirt, now his shirt is wet. Go take your shirt off and put it over there to dry. Where you gonna come in with your shirt on? Okay, so fine. You'll wear home a wet shirt. You'll wear home a wet shirt, that's all. I tell this guy he should take off his shirt. He came in with his shirt, so I said maybe he don't want nobody to see his titties. That's why.
What'd you get, shirt?
That's why he came with his shirt on, because I don't know why he ain't got an extra shirt. Yeah, guys, you see that mountain behind us? It is beautiful. Can I let me pull it? Let me see if I can bring in the view, make it bigger. Not right now. I don't think I can. I think maybe it's big enough. And okay, so let's do a picture.
So you sure you want to wet up your hair and everything?
I really don't want to wet up my hair.
Well, so where you go on there, wet up your hair. All right. Honey, that's not diving. That that is that is not diving.
What is that?
That is floating. Half your body is up the water. That is not diving. When you dive, you gotta go down all the way down. and all the way down. That is diving.
Okay, so let me go all the way down. I put something on your foot.
Yeah. I keep hitting my foot all the time.
Maybe a fish or something.
That, but something keeps hitting my foot all the time.
Want to move away? You want to move away?
Oh, I know there's little fish down there.
Oh.
Little fish down there all around my foot.
Maybe let them pick at your foot. Them is supposed to.
I don't know if we could see them, but there's little fish down there all around my foot. They're probably all around yours too. Huh?
It's not going to touch me.
Let me see. Look, diver, go down, go down. You diving like a balloon. You diving like a balloon.
Just leave me alone, Charles.
Like, you want me to show you what diving is?
Touch me.
You want me to show you what diving, how you dive?
No, you dive, but
Let me show you how you dive. Okay. This is how you. First you gotta do. Where are my glasses? They're too expensive for me to. Oh, ready?
Yes.
All right, let me show you how.
Let me see. All right, show off.
That's not showing off. Everybody that knows how to dive is this. That's me floating.
I'm not a swimmer, baby.
You know it. But remember, when I swim, what has happened?
Fish to stop and clap.
Fish that stop and clap.
Oh my God, he was saying that story when kids were little. When he swim, fish to stop and clap. Oh, your glasses gonna fall off. You put your glasses back on. Back at the house. It was a long day. We spent most of the day at the beach. We had lots of fun. So we just got back to the house. So it's getting a little bit late. So we bought some dinner in that we're gonna have, and just relax and edit my video. Guys, I'm just gonna end my video. I'm gonna go ahead and end my video now. I want to say thank you so much for joining me. I had fun, and I hope you guys had fun as well. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I love to read your comments. Until next time, Charles, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.